Managing passwords for remote teams and VA support can be tricky, but it doesn't have to be. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'm going to show you how to keep your passwords safe, easily accessible, and organized for your remote team, VA, or any other third-party support. First off, the challenge is clear. You need a way to manage and share passwords securely. Without the right tools, passwords can end up being a nightmare, with the risk of them falling into the wrong hands. But with the right software, this process can be streamlined, safe, and easy. Now let's talk about password managers. Forget about using spreadsheets or sticky notes to store your passwords. That's a recipe for disaster. Using a dedicated password manager is your best bet. The software we'll be using today allows you to safely store and organize passwords, making them accessible only to the right people at the right time. It's crucial to pick a password manager that has strong encryption and zero-knowledge architecture, ensuring that even the software provider can't access your data. When you're working with remote teams and VAs, it's important to set up team-level permissions. With a password manager, you can assign specific access levels based on roles. For example, you can give your VA access to certain passwords while keeping sensitive accounts locked away. This way, everyone has what they need without compromising security. Make sure to regularly review and update these permissions. Access requirements change as projects evolve or team members come and go. The next tip is to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring something you know, the password, and something you have, a code sent to your phone, for example. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to ensure that your account stays safe from unauthorized access. And don't forget to use strong, unique passwords. Password managers will often help you generate and store these securely, but it's important to make sure that every password is different across all your accounts. This reduces the chances of a single breach affecting multiple systems. One more thing, regularly update your passwords. It may sound like a hassle, but if your team is handling sensitive data, it's a good habit to change passwords every few months. Thankfully, the password manager you're using can make this process much easier. You can even set up alerts to remind you when it's time for an update. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the best software to manage all this? Well, I've tested all the most popular password managers, and the one I recommend, and the one we'll be using today, is available to you with an exclusive free trial. If you're following along, be sure to grab that link in the description below to get started with a free trial, just for viewers of my channel. So here's your key takeaway. Managing passwords for remote teams and VA support doesn't have to be overwhelming. The right password manager with strong security features, team-level permissions, and two-factor authentication is all you need. Review permissions regularly, enforce strong password practices, and keep your team's passwords secure and organized. To recap, you want to use a secure password manager with encryption, set team permissions for password access, enable two-factor authentication wherever possible, use unique and strong passwords, regularly update your passwords, and keep track of changes. And remember, if you want to follow along, be sure to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we've been using today. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.